Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make spring onion kimchi. We'll start by gathering our fresh ingredients, focusing on about 1 kilogram of vibrant spring onions. Then, we'll prepare the foundational elements for our flavorful paste, including gochugaru, fish sauce, and aromatic garlic. This guide will walk you through each simple step, ensuring you can create a delicious, authentic batch of homemade spring onion kimchi with confidence and ease. First, let's prepare our star ingredient, the spring onions. Take about 1 kilogram of fresh spring onions and give them a thorough wash under cool running water. Make sure to trim any roots or damaged ends. It's important that both the white and green parts are perfectly clean. After washing, lay them out to air dry completely. This ensures our kimchi paste adheres beautifully and prevents excess water from diluting the flavors. Now for the heart of our kimchi, the paste. In a large bowl, combine about 1/2 cup of vibrant gochugaru, which is Korean chili powder, with 2 generous tablespoons of freshly minced garlic. Next, add 3 tablespoons of savory fish sauce and 1 tablespoon of sugar to balance the flavors. Finally, mix in about 1/4 cup of water or a little rice porridge to achieve a smooth, spreadable consistency. With your paste ready, it's time to bring everything together. Wearing gloves, gently massage the flavorful paste all over the spring onions, ensuring every piece is well coated. Once mixed, carefully pack your spring onion kimchi into a clean, airtight container, leaving about 1 inch of headspace. Allow it to ferment at room temperature for 1 to 2 days, then transfer it to the refrigerator for longer storage and continued flavor development.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.